Alrighty, Pitter Patters. Welcome to Double Club Diesels. If you haven't been watching part 1, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.2, then I'll clue you in on what we got going on. We have a 1972 358 model Brockway. Axles were really far back. They are now forward. Now they're going to be coming back. I already welded the drive shaft. That's in the last video. And now we are making the axles come back to clean it on the frame. And we don't know. I don't know. I would like this to go quick. I would. I want to drive this truck so bad. I mean, I've driven a couple times, but I want to drive it with the short axles. I want to do smoky burnouts. Can't do that. I want to do something cool. You know what I mean? So, that's the plan for this video. If you guys like this kind of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's see how far we get today. So we almost got it all the way out. I don't want to quite take it all the way out. So we're gonna do this the safe way here. Come on. Oh, that's the wrong way. But yeah, after this project's over, I'm going to be done pulling this thing for a while. We're going to have to put the truck in gear. She's already rolling. Hopefully it don't pop start. It won't pop start. I'm just kidding. Sure. There we go. Here it comes. I just roll this thing. Where are you? Wow, I am so strong. Like a giant wheelbarrow. It's like a giant. Oh, dang, I know I'm going to have to really lengthen my drive shaft. I'm just kidding. This is only temporary. Come on. Come on. No, you want to. Wow. Okay. I don't think I want to take it out. Oh, sure, I'll just roll it all the way. At this point, you know, I don't want to take it much more than that. All right, set your brakes. I'm just kidding, it's disconnected. Okay, the axle's out. Now I got a truck suspended by these janky jacks. There's so many times where I'm working out of my truck to restore this Brockway. I'm thinking, why didn't I just why couldn't I be content with plastic model cars and trucks? That would make my life so much easier. Oh, but I wouldn't like it as much as this. Oh man, that's a big accomplishment. I mean, we're using 3-ton chain hoist and air jacks that I found in this garage to do this, just to make this piece of history come back to history. So the next step is, we're actually going to clean up for tonight. Next step is I'm going to get an air chisel over here. I'm going to clean all of this up. I might try and split these frame rails. I just got to take these hook bolts out. I don't know. We're going to do something. But I really mainly did this to clean the crap out of here. I didn't want to bolt it all back together with all of that crap in there. So, yeah. I hope this thing doesn't settle. We're going to try and brace these somehow. But I hope they don't settle because, oh, that was a bit of... I'm beat. I was gonna start jamming bolts in. Needless to say, I'm tired. We got the axles back where they belong. The sad news is in the meantime, and I also forgot to record progress of cleaning out in between the frame rails. It's not that I forgot, I just didn't see any key moments. Needless to say, I broke a needle scaler. I broke a sledgehammer. I split the frame right here. And I cleaned out a lot of scale rust between my frame rails. So that's all the middle stuff of the video that you guys didn't see. Right now we got the axles back where they're supposed to be. Got able to come along. Well, you guys just saw me freaking fight this thing and push it like a wheelbarrow. It was rough. But let's see what she looks like now. Looks like a road tractor. Now, the only thing is like road tractors from back in the 70s, this is still a pretty stretched frame. So what I'm wondering is, I wonder if there's something that I can put, like a winch or a sleeper or something, on the frame here to kind of shorten it up and make it look like a real road tractor. I don't know. I guess time will tell, but the next step is lining up all of my bolt holes, which I started to do. And I just got tired. I'm tired. I'm going to clean up all my stuff. And that's going to be a wrap for this week's video. And maybe next week we'll drive. I don't know. I would say it more enthusiastically, but feels like I just did like 1,000 push-ups trying to push those axles. I mean, one push-up would be enough to make me feel like that anyways. Anywho, don't forget to pitter patter and get at her. I don't know, go buy something old and fix it.